Hello everyone, hope you're doing good and today I will talk about self-education versus formal education. I will start with my personal example only. So the reason behind me making videos, the reason behind me completing 80 videos, the reason behind me speaking fluently in all my videos, it all happened because of the self-education guys. And self-education is what really very important, and self-education help us to build fortune not in terms of making that money but in terms of living the life happily. Because when you have got that self-education and when you have worked on it, you know that you have did something which made you happy, and this will only keep you driving whole of your life. And guys, the only one thing which scares me is that I regretting in my olden days for not taking this action. And I'm totally okay with not getting results when I started creating all the videos. I'm okay with people not watching the videos now. I'm okay with not getting the results now. But when I'm into my 50s and 60s, I will not have that regret in my life. And guys, regrets are really very bad. So I'm okay with not getting results when people are not watching the videos. I'm okay with it. But the only thing which will keep me happy is that I did something. I tried adding values in people's life. And guys, how I started this is that I had deep sense of helping someone. I really feel that I need to help someone who is in trouble in terms of not getting job, or in terms of finding the way to lead the life, in finding something they are really passionate about. I really feel that I should go and help them. I really feel that I should share best of my knowledge to them so that they can do something in their life. And that is the reason why I have started creating all the videos. I started creating all the videos which has values, which has strategies, and mentorship really helped me in this. So I have mentorship of Rahul Bhatnagar, because of which I started doing all this. And my self education is combination of me learning daily plus execution. And now why I'm telling this is because formal education for me was really very good. It was I got that degree, but I limited my mind. I had that lack of awareness that I restricted myself only to clear all the exams, only to study to just pass the exams, and nothing more than that. I didn't execute anything in my educational life. So that's the reason why I didn't got the results. So I want you to have that self education in yourself. Have figure it out what is that you want to do. Find out what is that which makes you really happy and work on it. And self education will really build a fortune, not in terms of asset, not in terms of that money, but in terms of you being happy forever. And guys, if you are still unable to find what is that you really love, I want you to dig your past. Search the thing which you really loved doing, which came naturally to you, and pick that and start working on it. And guys, self-education is what you really need. And if you check all the videos on all the social platforms, they all are cursing about the formal education, because what the knowledge we are getting is all outdated. And I want you to get educated on basis of your self-awareness. Self-awareness is the key, guys. Until and unless you have that awareness among yourself, then only then you can do something. Only then you can educate yourself. So find out what you really want to do and start doing. Right after watching this video, figure it out. Find out that what actually you loved in the past and which you did naturally, and which will really add values in people's life. Pick that and start working upon it. And self-education is the key, and it's truly important. All of these videos I'm making just because of this self-education and ideas plus execution. Collect the ideas and put it into the execution. And if you ask me what I did, I follow Rahul Bhatnagar, I follow Gary Vee, I consume their content, and I keep on posting the videos. I share my thoughts on their topics, or I share my thought or my views on the topic which I want to make a video. So this includes and this combines the ideas plus execution. So execute and get that self-education, have that self-awareness, and start doing something which you really wanted to do in this life. And don't regret, guys. I hope you love this video, and please hit a like, please share this video with your friends and families, and thanks for watching.